This segment of a Food Truck Friday, we thought location is everything. The scenery at Beach Cat Southpaw, legendary. Let's get some lunch. Here we are at Pirate Pies and Subs, Southpaw location of Beach Cat. Here with Brian. How you doing, my man?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good. This is a Food Truck Friday. We can smell you from the parking lot. This place smells amazing. What do you love about the food truck right now?
I'm my own boss. I get to make whatever I want to make, and, people seem to like it, so I'll keep it going.
And what you're making is pizza, right? This is a legendary Pizza Hut right here.
Yeah, pizzas and sandwiches. We lean more into the pizzas. I kind of just think of, what can I turn into pizza that is not already pizza? That's kind of my thing. So,
How do people find you to get more information and more pizza?
we're working on our website. That should be up in the next week or so. But right now, Instagram is our best bet. Just at Pirate Pies and Subs.
Pirate Pies and Subs, a Food Truck Friday. Thanks for checking this out.